we're going to change it up. Instead of rideshare, let's talk about DoorDash. And is this the most
trash?
bizarre request we've ever seen? Whew, I don't
this
know.
Real, bro?
Sergio,
Is this real?
I don't know. I came across it and I'm like, oh my God, what the hell is wrong with this? This was on Facebook. So I posted it over on X. And I'm like, is this the most bizarre request you've ever seen? And
I see, you know what I see quite a bit? I see a lot of, not that this is ridiculous. I've done, let's see, you know, I can look at my app. Anyway, I've done probably now 1,800 deliveries, right? Enough to run into some shit like this. The number one problem I have with deliveries is like you pick up the food, you slide it over, you're on your way. The first instruction will say meet at the door, okay? Because that's what they ordered last time and they left it there. And underneath, they'll put additional instructions saying put the food in front of the door. I'm like, bro, if your first instruction is meet at the door, I cannot leave it at the door. It's just because there is no, you know, I do my thing. I take my picture, I save the picture, I take the screenshot of the text where it says the conflicting, you know, instructions. This type of thing, I had never had, forget this is ridiculous. I had never had somebody say, bring the food into the house and put it on the table or something. I will, first of all, never step into anybody's house, ever, or home or apartment or whatever.
Well, that's kind of what I had said. So, for those who are just listening and can't see, it's a DoorDash order, and it says hand it to the recipient. Underneath, it says hand it to me. Ring bell. Come in. Place food in lap. So I then had mentioned, first off, do not go in somebody's house. I said 9 out of 10 times, or 9 out of 10 times, you don't want to step into somebody's house. 1 out of 10 times, or like, you know, the remainder might be somebody who's disabled or in a wheelchair or something like that. And I saw a couple of people post that in the comments, and that's the truth. So, you know, that's where you gotta play a little bit different. So if the person is handicapped or something like that, you may want to go the extra mile to help them out. But when it comes to the majority of people, no, you do not want to go into any type of place that is a customer's home or anything like that. You don't know what's going on. You don't know who they are. You know nothing. So you don't want to do that. Keep your safety on your mind, and all those things.
Yeah,
but what do you think about this being absolutely bizarre request? Is ring the bell, come in, and place food in lap. Would you like me to feed you too?
Yeah. Let me give me your spoon. Give me your spoon. Let me just start feeding you. And that I would do right there.
Margot Robbie, yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely do that. Yeah, that's definitely laugh, wherever you want it, honey. That's like, well,
hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
But anyway, so yeah, I don't know if this is like I mean, this may be real. I don't know. Look, there's a lot of bullshit on the internet. And so what did they order? See, what they ordered is true. A Subway footlong. Holy shit. They ordered a Subway footlong cookie. You know, Subway has those footlong cookies now.
Yep.
And then they got a number 15, a Titan turkey. Okay, that covers all the food groups. A little bit too much sugar for my liking with the footlong cookie there. But
I know, just 1,330 calories. So my thought process is they're probably perfectly fine when it comes to not being in a wheelchair, but they're probably a little overweight. And by a little overweight, I mean they're probably 400, 500, 600 pounds.
Yeah.
And at that point, I'd be like, here you go. And I'd be like, I can't come in the house.
Yeah, there's no way. I mean, goddamn, bro. You know, you just door closes behind you and then you're dead, man. There are sickos out there, people. Remember that poor driver in Florida, that poor old man. What happened with that No.
Yeah.
I ain't stepping. Even when I go to drop at the door, right? I would say probably 70% are leave at the door. Okay. If it's at night, I have a strong mag flashlight. I scope it first. You know why, Chris? Dogs. I mean, they may have a dog that's on, off the leash or some shit, and then because they have these fences, right? I'm like, bro, it's like I don't want to get bit in the middle of the night, so I just scope the stuff around. Prop 22 clock is running anyway, so I'm like, it's cool. I'll just go carefully, drop it off, take the picture, get out of Dodge. And another tip: never leave your car running. Ever.
No.
There are people who do that. There are people who do that, right? They park for like 30 seconds. That's when the car is gone.
Yep.
Don't you ever do that.
Especially in like apartment complexes and stuff like that. Where you got to like walk up the door or like get further away from the car. But definitely not something to do. So turn the car off and take your keys with you, lock it. And then on top of that, don't go in anybody's house. I mean, clearly, if they're disabled or they need help, that's one thing. That's completely different. And you have to use your own best judgment on what you want to do. But for the vast majority of people who are perfectly fine, sorry, I'm not going in the house. It's a liability issue. In fact, these companies also say don't go into the house. So you kind of want to take what they say. So
that's when
just be smart with
things. Display ride that body cam comes into play. I think that's a good idea.
Perfect opportunity for a display ride body camera. So if you didn't know that they have a body cam, yes, they do. Links in the description if you want to sign up and get one if you're gonna go into people's houses.
Okay, they're watching us really carefully. I thought Uber was watching us carefully. What's the difference between SMTMC co-host and co-host? Get out of here, Ty.
Mirror.
Yeah.
Bro, who gives a flying fuck?
They're watching us too close.
More things to worry about, like placing food in somebody's lap.
Yeah, I ain't doing that. Anyway, we'll see. All right.
Oh no.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.